Welcome to Digital Technology for Term 4. Again, we're using Khan Academy, and once you've logged into your coach portal, you'll be able to go to Subjects, you'll be able to go to Computer Programming, and instead of doing Intro to JavaScript, which we did in Term 3, we'll scroll down to Intro to HTML/CSS, making web pages. In the first few weeks, students will complete all of this within class. So probably the first lesson, they will do Welcome to the Web video, they'll watch HTML basics, then they'll do this task here, or look at that task and then do the challenge. In week 2 they'll watch the video and do the challenge. Week 3 do the lists, watch the video on lists and do the challenge. Week 4 they'll do look at that video on images and do the challenge. This final challenge is the accessible task, and you'll have a project sheet and a rubric to go with that. If students complete that within the first few weeks, that's fine. They can then keep going on with the content below in order. So they can do the Introduction to CSS and just keep working through those tasks. And if they're a bit slow and they don't get there in the first 4 weeks, that's fine. If it takes 6 weeks, that's fine. So we'll just go at the pace that suits students. Now you'll need to assign this work to the students. So to do that, we'll just go back. We will go back, and then you'll click back into your classes. You'll have the blue screen, and then you'll be able to go to Find Computer Programming Content to Assign. Click on that. And then you should be able to go down to Introduction to HTML, click on that. And I've already assigned my students Welcome to the Web. I think I couldn't see how we could add all the content at once. So if I just click on these individually, I think I can then just go Assign. That assigns it to all students. There we go. And then I can go by, let's see, I don't think it matters if we don't have the right date and time up there. So now I will go to this one, Quick Tip HTML Tags. I'll go Assign, I'll go to Challenge, write a poem, I'll assign, I'll go to HTML Text Emphasis, assign, challenge, you can learn new text tags, assign, HTML lists, assign, challenge your learning list, assign, HTML images, assign, and the final challenge, a picture perfect trip, assign. Okay, so I've now assigned my students all of that work that I would like them to do. I'll now go back . Very good. And I'm pretty sure that's been assigned to all of my students now. Yep. So assignments for Mr. Dow's Digitech Computer Programming, they all come up here. So you've got the Welcome to the Web video, HTML Basics, etc. Okay, so you can edit, copy or delete those, and that's about it. You can check on the progress obviously of your students. By name, and we'll have the current progress from term 3. You can look at the activity of the students. You can look at the projects that they've completed. And yeah. Anyway, all the very best for the first few weeks of digital technology. Let me know if you've got any questions, as I'm sure your questions are relevant and somebody else might be thinking the same thing. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon.